Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your WhatsApp status. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Click on the status option on the top section of screen. Here you can see my status. There, tap on the three horizontal dots. Again, tap on three vertical dots. Now click on the delete option. And if you're sure, then click on the delete option once again. And that is how you can delete your WhatsApp status. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.